Fast forward 289 here. Today I'm going to show you how to we're going to be putting the rearview mirror back in my 1968 Mustang. I went outside the window and took a Sharpie and marked where the old glue mark is, so I'll know where to put it back in the same location. To clean the glue off without scratching your window, I use just some plain old window cleaner. That's all you need. Just something that the blade has something to slide against so you don't scratch your window, and all you want to do is just spray a little bit. Just like that. And it's going to run down. We can clean it up afterward. And you take the razor blade and you just take that glue right off there. See, you use the window cleaner so you don't scratch it. And now I like to use old newspaper to clean my windows when I wash them. It works great. Use whatever you like, but I like using old newspaper. It's an old trick, but I like it. It works very well. Okay, now we're going to open the packet up for this. Okay, it comes with your glue right here, and also an alcohol wipe to clean the window and your button. You know, in this case, this is the one that uses in the 68 Mustangs. And you see it says, remove mounting button from mirror bracket, make note which side faces upwards. I already did that. On outside of windshield, circle with a crayon to identify old location of mirror button. I already did that. Thoroughly scrape windshield glass and button to remove all old adhesive. All old adhesive must be removed in order. So, okay. Now, open cleaner. Open cleaner. And then, on the inside of the windshield, clean marked area. And also you want to clean the button. Allow it to dry for 1 minute. Okay. And then apply adhesive both to button and glass as excessive reaction may occur. Or do not apply adhesive to both the button and the glass. So, therefore, open adhesive pouch on top. Apply 1 drop of adhesive to the center of the button only. So, okay, do not put it on the glass. Only put it on the button. So we're going to do that now. We're going to clean the windshield and the button with this. Sorry if the video is shaky and my fingers keep getting in the way. I'm doing this by myself and I'm using my phone. So, whoa. There we go. Alright. So we're going to take it. Smell the alcohol. I'm going to clean this really good. Yeah. Clean it really good. Alright. Now that's done, we're going to clean the button. So. I'm a little, I overdo things like this. I want to make sure I get a good seal on it, good contact, so I'm going to scrub the hell out of it. Rub it really good. Alright. Now we're going to wait for 1 minute, and I'll come back in the next video and show you how to actually put it on. Thanks for watching.